థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు ఇంత అద్భుతమైన యష్నా క్యారెక్టర్ని మనందరికీ పరిచయం చేసినటువంటి శౌరవ్ గారిని మాట్లాడవలసిందిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం.
Hello. Hello. Hi. Good evening, everyone. This film, everything about this film is really, really, really close and special to me for so many reasons. And firstly, Supriya Garu, I wish this film becomes a blockbuster. Ma'am, if you remember the first time we interacted, it's in Annapurna, when I was shooting in VPS. DB was my DOP. You came and Andar Jappar Supriya Garu vacharu. You came to me and you said, hey, you're shooting in VPS? Okay, nice. I want young filmmakers to come and explore this more so that din antu telcheddam. Even I'm getting to know this more. So we spoke so much after you left. Me and DB, we were thinking that, look at the passion. Thank you so much. Annapurna Samstha chala chesindi andi for this, for me, for everyone in this industry. Thank you so much for that. And then Chanel. Chanel is I had very brief interactions with Chanel, but I know even now he's somewhere there working for the film. This happened with me also. And for my first film, I wasn't there at any event because I was busy working for my film to deliver it on time as well. So Chanel, wherever you are, we have that party pending and I think we need to meet. Sleepless Nights he's undergoing. I want this film to become a blockbuster for Chanel. I always admired his work from Kshanam, Gudachari. He was always a cinematographer, but this is his debut. I'm so excited for him. I think this will be something else. And who else? Sej Garu, thank you so much for inviting me. After Hainana, there was a lot of appreciation and I received. People chala goppaga maatladaaru cinema kosam. But one tweet of yours always stayed with me, very close to my heart, when you said, I don't know for what reason, but I thought each and every word, you really meant it from your heart. When you said this film will stay with me for so long, this is my comfort film, and annappudu, I don't know for what reason, it really boosted the whole team. Thank you for that. I've been following your work, స్క్రీన్ పిలో దిట్ట మీరు అలా నేను చెప్తా ఉంటా ఆయనలా రాస్తాను చూస్తూ ఉండండి అని చెప్పి. ఐ pray this film becomes a super duper hit for you. And also Mrunal Thakur, Yashna, my dear Yashna. So Mrunal and me, like, she keeps calling whenever she has a bad day here. Something might not work out, maybe language at times, I don't know, whatever reason. She calls me and says, I think I'm done here. I don't think I'll be doing Telugu movies anymore. I don't think people accept me here. I think this is my last film. I'll be like, okay, fine. I'm used to this. And next day she accepts something like this. And again, I'm always there listening. Now I don't even care whatever you say. But I never got an opportunity to thank you for Hainana on a stage because I wasn't present, but I take this opportunity. Thank you so much, Yashna. You're a wonderful friend. I think, like, Telugu cinema is your calling. It will be your calling. You can't escape it. I think, like, you'll keep doing wonderful, wonderful roles here. And I pray you. And one more thing, నేను హాయినా నేను చేసే టైంలోని నానిగారు నన్ను అడిగారు, స్క్రిప్ట్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత he asked me, ఎవరు అనుకుంటున్నావు హీరో అని. I said Mrunal Thakur. By that time Sitaramam also didn't release. So he asked why. I said, I've seen this girl in Tufan, a movie called Tufan. I said, I want my actress to be really, really vulnerable, yet very pretty when she's crying. That's my criteria. And he's like, oh, second agar, because I said, Hainana has so many, like, a lot of scenes she'd be crying. And he said, okay, fine, then let's go. Then Sitaramam happened, then Yashna happened. And thank you so much. Thank you for being a wonderful friend. I think in Hainana Andi, by the end of the film, she's very vulnerable character. By the end of the film, she learns how to fight. But I can see you fighting from the start as Saraswati. I think this film will be one more jewel in your crown. All the very best, Yashna. Saraswati, sorry. And there is one more guy, and who's really special to me. That's the main reason I love everyone here, but Dhanush Bhaskar. He's my friend for 10 years now. It's been 10 years. Kalisochamu, we endured so much. He's my family, he's just my family, my younger brother. Hi Nana, Dhanush cheyalsindandi because he was supposed to be my director of photography. బట్ అన్నారు అప్పుడు ఇద్దరు కొత్తోళ్ళని యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయరు, నేను కొత్త ఆడు కొత్త, ఇద్దరిని చేయరేమో యాక్సెప్ట్ అని అన్నారు. ఇద్దరం కూర్చొని ఆలోచించాం ఏం చేద్దాము అని. ఇద్దరం ఒక డెసిషన్కి వచ్చాం, ఒక కొత్తోడిని యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తే చాలు. అది నన్ను నానిగారు పట్టుకెళ్ళారు, వీడిని మీరు పట్టుకెళ్ళారు, శేష్ గారు పట్టుకెళ్ళారు. ఐఎమ్ సో హ్యాపీ. అండ్ నా తోటికి ఫోన్ చేసి హీ మెన్షన్ దట్ అడవిసే సినిమా చేస్తున్నా, అడవిసే సినిమా అదిరిపోద్ది కానీ తీరిపోద్ది కూడా చూసుకో అన్నాను. తీరని బ్రో అని అన్నాడు, తీరిపోయింది అనుకున్నాను. బట్ ఎస్, ద ట్రైలర్ ఇస్ వండర్ఫుల్ అండ్ I think it's already a blockbuster. This film will stay. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. All the very best team. Pollaki Vijay garu, of course, and PK, wherever PK is, everyone, yeah. Congratulations, Beams garik kuda. Congratulations, sir. Thank you so much.